Namaste everyone. Today I will be speaking about Tingsha. I'm sure you must have seen them around. They're very famous among the spiritual community, especially among the sound healers and meditative people, meditators. They go by various names. In Nepal we call them Tingsha and Majura. In Tibet they are known as Tingsha, and in India they are called Manjira. But within the context of devotional music system and Indian classical music system, they are also known as Tal. Tal means a pulse, which is a greater cycle of rhythm, and we use them to enhance our rhythm. They are available in various shapes and size and different ornamentation. These are you can see this way, and these are very new and they have very good sound. They're made from some hybrid metals. Their vibration lasts for a long time. And you must have seen them. These are very famous. They are very common, and they are called chalis, which are the bigger version of them. They're very sounds very rich and very dynamic. So there are certain way of playing Tingsha. First is hold the leather this way and gently follow the sound in the silence. Then there's another way, the same, you will hold it the same way, but you go down and up. And one of the oldest way of playing Tingsha, if you want to play it loud when you're doing it for many people, is this way. And we also play Tingsha to enhance the rhythm, as I said before. You must have seen them in kirtans and bhajans, especially among the Hare Krishna devotees. We play them like this. Following certain kind of rhythm to enhance the pulse. Well, Tingsha can be used for various purposes. They are one of the oldest companion in our spiritual process. The first use of Tingsha is as a meditation. You can do just simply strike the Tingsha whichever way you like. Follow the sound, close your eyes, and go into the meditation state. And when you feel you have you are done with the meditation, to put to an end, you strike it again and slowly come back to the initial stage. And the other way would be we use Tingsha to clean aura. We use Tingsha to clean the dark energies. If you feel you have been moving out to a new place, or you feel a kind of more stagnant energy. So what you can do is you can sit on the center of that room facing towards the east, and then play the Tingsha a couple of times. If you can do it 7 times, it's okay, but you can repeat the process of 7 times up to 21 times. Simply imagining yourself in the center of the universe, sitting in the center of that room. So it's likely to dispel the stagnant energy from that room. The other one is we can, if a person is lying down, and you can start playing a Tingsha gently over the spaces around their chakras, around their pressure points, and around the blockages that you feel. This is also known as Nadi Sodhan. And if this is the head of a person, we would start in the center channel, nadi, central nadi, which is known as Shushumna, that divides you into two equal parts. So make sure your one Tingsha, one cymbal is fixed, and then all the way you can do. I hope you like the video, and if you have some questions, if you want to understand more about singing bowl, please write me down below, or you can also email me, check my website. Until next time, thank you so much.